Hi friends, welcome back to Pro Trader Krish. Okay, today finally we achieved our target and 95% of the target is done. Means first target is already done. Okay, so let me show you clearly. Uh, this is where our short. Okay, this is where our initial short. This is the position. Remember. Okay, if you go through, this is our short. Our initial first target is this. Okay, and our final target is this. Which one? Okay, this is our final target. This is the first target achieved next 3 days itself. And when we shorted this, right, we already bought here also some 250 shares in cash, and we shorted in the futures F&O August contract, not July contract, August contract. Okay, so if you can see, right, so it made a new high also of 2200 almost from our level, in the sense it moved from almost 80-90 points upside also. Okay, from our level, our short position. But whereas I was in cash, right, 250 stocks, though I was not in a hurry to book any kind of thing, because I know that at some point of time the price will come back downside. And finally, you know, right, what was happened. And so this is what happened today. Okay, so if you can see, right, closely, if you can see closely here. Okay, so now if you can see closely here, so this is the uh, this is the zone. It will come. Okay, this is the zone area. It will finally fall, and this is where we shorted. Okay, and this is our first target. Okay, so now you clearly understood, right? So the only reason we have shorted here is because it was moved way far from its second momentum source point. Okay, and it moved very far from here, such that it moved into the oversold, overbought area here. So that's the reason we have sold in this zone. Okay, and now if you can see, right, this is the correction part. Okay, and there is a gap created here also. There is a gap created here, but that doesn't mean that this gap will be filled today. Any momentum on the downside, again it will come back to its original position. Okay, in the sense, see, 50%, right? So now there is a high probability that if it doesn't move the 50% above, it has a high chance. Okay, so very high chance that it will fall back. It will fall back to this area. This is the first strong buying. Okay, first strong buying, and the next level of buying I'll be showing in a moment. Okay, so these are the levels, in the sense this is one level. Let me mark for you guys. Okay, so that you can better understand those levels. Let me mark them with the green areas. So this is the very good buying zone, and this is the best buying zone. Okay, in the sense it comes around that 1850, and yeah, this is 1830 to 1860 area. Okay, and this one falls in to around 1900 to 1950 area. Okay, and this one falls into 2000 area. Okay, in the sense 1980 to 2000. Okay, so 3 buying areas I have given, and based upon your interest, you can definitely look into this, and you can make your entries here. Okay, but I'm gonna book, okay, whatever the target we have achieved, right, I'm gonna book here downside. So this is what I want to share, the details on the Reliance. Okay, So I hope you understand these things. So how we have achieved our target, and I'll be adding my positions right from this moment only, from 2000, 1950, 1830. This will be the last buying zone. Okay, and don't expect this last zone very fast. Okay, because it's a Reliance stock, so it won't fall that, because it has a market cap around 14 lakhs 50,000. Okay, so that's a very big figure. Okay, thank you guys. This is what I want to show you guys, and finally we have done our whatever our initial objective. Okay, thank you, and keep following Pro Trader Krish. And if you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, like it and share it as well. Okay, thank you.